Another one, guys. Today we're gonna be installing traction bars on the truck coming. So yeah, trying to get ready for AC. So I'll show you guys the bars now, and we'll get into the install. Just saying, this is the kit I bought off some guy on TikTok. It's not the best kit ever, but it will do for now. So these are the bars. They're powder coated purple mist. And yeah, we're doing the brackets now on the truck. That's the racket in the back. So we got the mounts installed on both sides. And yeah, we used this concoction over there that we found out was
even coaches was bold.
It's automatic trans fluid, and then whatchamacallit, acetone takes the rust right off. So because this side was a bitch, because this side never came off before. That side came off because that side was the side that got hit when we had to replace the leaf spring, because they bent it when they re-rented it. But now we're gonna put the bars on, test fit, and then we're gonna prep the frame and all that, so when we weld the front brackets on when we take it to the shop. So we're here at the shop. The 14 wides barely fit. He's gonna have to get out on this side. But as you see over here, we're at our shop. Our boys over here at Monkey Wrench, we got the sticker. But yeah, barely. Bad ground?
It's too hot.
Guy right here is an artist. He makes these custom chairs. Got one right here. You just look over the shop and find out. We've got this one right here, pretty cool. This one. Makes them all out of scrap metal he finds. Makes this chair right here. That chair right there. I don't know what this is, but looks like an ashtray or something, but pretty cool shit. Flower pot is a transmission. Another cool looking chair that he made. He makes pretty cool shit. If you ever want anything, you hit him up, man. This is the shop right here. You ask for Tess. So we're tightening up the bars right now, but this is exactly where we patched it before when the frame was rotted out. So welded right onto the other plate that he welded onto. So look at those dimes. Getting ready for Atlantic City. I wonder how it feels. We'll find out when I take it to work Monday.
You're about to tell me.
Time to see the finished product.
She wanna get lit. If you moving too funny, then you could get hit. I ain't got time for a bitch. Hey, baby, I'm trying to get lit. Hey, Trisha, baby, I'm up in this spot to get litty, baby. Get litty, baby. Brisha, baby, I'm trying to get Brisha, baby. Shake it, shake it. All for the liquor, waste it, waste it.